the Delhi State Ranking Prize Money Badminton Championships. Our chief guest this evening, Shri Kiran Rijiju, Honorable Minister, Law and Justice, Government of India. Mr. Sudhanshu Mittal, Vice President, Indian Olympic Association. Mr. Kuldeep Vats, Vice President, Indian Olympic Association. Dr. Vikas Gupta, Registrar, University of Delhi. Mr. Ramji Malhotra, MD, Transform Badminton of India. I welcome all of you this evening to the finals and the conclusion of an 8-day-long badminton championship being played at the Sports Complex, Delhi University. Let me at the outset begin by welcoming our chief guest for this evening, Mr. Kiran Rijiju, Minister of Law and Justice in the Government of India. On behalf of DCBA and members of the Executive Committee, let me also extend a warm welcome to the Registrar, Delhi University, Dr. Vikas Gupta, our title sponsors for the championship, Transform Managing Director, Mr. Ram Malhotra, all participating players, technical officials, parents, friends, badminton lovers, and Mr. Sudhanshu Mittal and Mr. Vats. Welcome again to this evening. Thank you all so much for being here, cheering the players on and energizing them towards victory. I would like to make a mention and convey to you the immense appreciation the sporting community holds for the unprecedented efforts made by Mr. Kiran Rijiju as Sports Minister, raising the benchmark of Indian sport to another level. It was just 16 days prior to the Tokyo Olympics that he was elevated to the rank of Cabinet Minister with the charge of Law and Justice. His name will always be associated with sports as one of the most loved, affable, and endearing leaders who took sports to the very next level. His countless initiatives in Indian sport, as also the Fit India movement, a program launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in 2019 to make fitness an integral part of our daily lives, stands up to great appreciation. As Minister of Sports, Kiran Rijiju has virtually worked on a one-on-one basis with our Indian players, with the goal of earning medals at the Tokyo Olympics, reaching them to double digits. He followed, related, and was available on call to Indian sportsmen very closely. If we are to relate to the significant awards of India's bright prospects in badminton unfurling under his leadership, then the grandest of our performances of P.V. Sindhu, becoming the first Indian woman to win the Badminton World Championship, is one among the many examples. And the recent scripting of history with the Thomas Cup victory, India has declared its supremacy in world badminton. Badminton in India is truly seeing golden moments. Kiran Rijiju is also responsible for a significant hike in the prize money for national sports. The GOI flagship program, TOPS, Target Olympic Podium Scheme, started in 2014, has for India in the last 2 years, being used to its fullest potential. Indian athletes have expressed how the top scheme has helped them excel. Athletes with the backing of the scheme are provided customized training under reputed coaches at institutes having world-class facilities. Their participation in international competition being encouraged and then being provided with high-quality equipment has reached Indian sports to new limits. It is thanks to Mr. Vijay. Kiran Rijiju has urged and involved corporates, public sector units to come forward and generously contribute to the National Sports Development Fund as part of their CSR. The sporting community thanks you immensely, but the sporting community misses you immensely. Sports bonds, sports binds, sports unites. The transformed state-ranking prize money badminton championship, which is underway since the 23rd of May 2022, is the second of the series for the selection and ranking tournaments for the selection of the state team post-COVID. This tournament sees a tremendous rise in the entry and participation, suggesting the popularity of badminton growing widely on Indian turf. I do not hesitate to say every player participating in this tournament, sponsored very generously by Transform, played exceptional badminton and exhibited great talent, skills over the last 8 days. You have shown that you are the future. The most beautiful aspect of sports is that it brings people together as athletes, contemporaries, and even people of the nation. Sports unites one and all, irrespective of any other attributes. This tournament has highlighted that Delhi State has no dearth of talent in sportsmen and women. What is important now is that the DCB, your parent governing body for badminton in the state of Delhi, does everything in its power to nurture, grow, care, and give opportunity and direction to this talent so that our children from Delhi reach podium finishes. There will be many who will be standing on the podium this evening, many who may not have made it. Nonetheless, every participant has left a mark of his presence, and I am sure taking back something on his way, most of all the experience of participation. Every point was fought for, well earned, well deserved. Yes, someone won, someone lost, but you have left the court as friends, and most of all, you have taken back with you invaluable participation experience. The DCBA's efforts are certainly to give podium finishes to the nation, but also focuses on giving good citizens of character and discipline to the nation. Every player here, I wish to assure, this was not the only one, not the only chance you had to win. This is the beginning to numerous future opportunities the DCBA will provide players to challenge themselves, to reach the pinnacle of excellence, represent the state of Delhi, onwards the nation. It is not one match, one tournament that makes champions. It is ceaseless labor, toil, hard work, discipline, focus, concentration, perseverance, determination, tireless and almost repetitive routine, and many more such tough attributes and ingredients which go into the making of champions. Champions are not made overnight. It takes years of sweat, labor, moments of ecstasy, and many a disappointment, which eventually reach you to making your dreams and aspirations a reality. The journey to podium finishes is certainly not an easy one, but not an impossible one. Your journey has commenced, young ones in Delhi, and I am with you all the way as President DCBA. But as a player of yesteryears, deeply passionate about the game, I relate to your requirements, I empathize, and will try to give the very best every game and to the sport. My efforts would be ceaseless, sincere, and determined. Remember, I come from the same institution, the institution that taught me sports, the institution that taught me discipline. The DCBA will surely set into order future course of badminton in Delhi, conducting development programs for players, educational programs for counseling, courses for technical officials and coaches, physical education programs in badminton for school teachers and players. We have to do a lot in a short time. So we have to work on a war footing. I would request the entire badminton fraternity of Delhi to come forward, make little contributions, give your precious time, your suggestions to help the children of Delhi to take badminton to the next level. I cannot conclude without thanking Delhi University, the Vice Chancellor, who for unforeseen reasons could not be here this evening, was unable to attend, but let us start Dr. Vikas Gupta and the entire assisting staff of the university who stood by DCBA shoulder to shoulder to make this tournament a grand success. The multi-purpose hall sports complex is a state-of-art creation and a delight for any athletes to play in. I do believe that this sporting event would only be the first in the long line of collaborations DCBA would have with Delhi University in times to come. I would like to thank the Chief Referee, Mr. Ajay Singh, Match Controller, Mr. Vineet Sharma, Deputy Match Controller, Mr. Pranav Bishnoi, and of course the Organizing Secretary for the tournament, Mr. Rajiv Mehta, for their endless labor of love in putting this tournament together. I would like to thank the physiotherapy team, Dr. Nidhi Kumar, who stood by every player here and took care of their medical needs. I do realize that this tournament did cause a little inconvenience in schedules that was on account of board exams, class 10, class 12, and even university exams. I certainly believe that academics and sports needs to be taken together for all-round development of athletes. I would still request parents, sports lovers, senior players to openly write to me. Give me your suggestions with solutions for the betterment of the game and the management of sport as we go along. I believe we will all grow together. I assure you as President DCBA, I will greatly appreciate this contribution. Once again, let me thank our Chief Guest, Mr. Kiran Rijiju, for giving us his valuable time, and Mr. Mittal and Mr. Vice for being here. And of course, Delhi University and Dr. Vikas Gupta. I have a great word of thanks to Mr. Ram Gupta, who has been the backbone of this tournament and the cheer for all the children. Thank you very much for supporting the tournament. And most importantly, I would like to thank all the sponsors, technical officials, players, and of course, all the viewers who have given us this evening. Thank you very much for all being here and making this tournament a grand success.
Thank you, Matt, for those beautiful words of inspiration. Now we would like to request our Chief Guest and DCBA Chairperson, Mrs. Amita Singh, to facilitate some of our international players. And we would like to start from